Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an update on my 10K and 100 days challenge. This is day number 56. And yes, let's go ahead and get into it. So first off, I want to tell you welcome, welcome, welcome. If you clicked on this video, I appreciate you. If you've been watching my any of my videos, sharing my videos, or liking my videos, or commenting on any of my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am documenting this journey to give others motivation. This is not about me showing that I can save 10K in 100 days. It's about inspiring you guys and showing you different ways to save money. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. First off, I want to say I finally got my Capital 360 high yields account opened, and I only transferred $200 to the 10K challenge. I just wanted to make sure I did it right. I didn't want to transfer the entire 4,000, and it'd be a blunder. So next video, I should have all the money transferred, because I have to transfer from 2 different accounts. So yeah, so I finally got that done. And this week, I was met with some challenges again. That's why it's called a challenge. Of course, they laid my husband off again. So, so I have to try to be creative in saving the money, of course, after we pay bills or whatever, because I'm not going to save $10,000 and my bills are lacking. That's a no-brainer. So what I did is took the money from our buffer that was left over. It was a total of $300 and some I took. How much of it did I take? I got my cheat notes right here. I think I left 100 because we had a bill that was coming out that was on auto draft. And so I took 200 from our buffer. And for this paycheck, I only took 300, which made us have a total of 500 this week. Yay! So that's pretty good. So yeah, by my husband being laid off, it's not as bad as it would have been had we not been prepared for something like this as far as our emergency fund or savings. But we still don't touch the emergency fund or savings, but our mindset has changed. So that's a good thing about being on this journey. When you have things like a spouse being laid off and you have money saved up and you have a mindset change, you have other ways to make money, because remember, the money that I stuff on my channel is our saving, is our spending money, because we're supposedly debt free, but another video coming soon talking about debt. So that's why I'm glad I'm on this journey, so that when things happen like that, when someone is laid off and he's not able to get unemployment, because the thing is, they're saying he has a job, they just don't have any work for him to do, which is crazy. You got all these people getting all these, I don't even want to talk about the unemployment, getting all these people money, and they aren't even looking for a job. So I digress. So by him being laid off and by us being mindful of our money, we're not lacking anything. But I just mentioned that he's laid off to show you that you still can push forward when you have a mindset change and you have, some other financial things in place. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the challenge. So of course, if he wasn't laid off, I could have saved more than 500. But progress is progress. Remember, progress is progress. So, for a long time, when I first started the cash envelope system, I used to be like, why are they putting $1 in those envelopes? Until I understand the power of consistency. It doesn't matter. The amount that they're putting in the envelope is irrelevant. It's just the habit of continuing to put things in the envelopes to save. So, yeah. So I'm still learning, as I'm sure you all are. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So we got 500 envelopes, and we left off last week, and we stuffed a total of 51 envelopes, but we only had to stuff 49. So we are 2 envelopes ahead. So for this video, we still will be 1 envelope ahead, because I only have to stuff 5 envelopes, but I'm stuffing 6. So yeah. So I'm just trying to stay ahead, for things like that. Him getting laid off. I mean, I could get laid off. Anything could happen. We could get sick and not have any income coming in. So yeah, you just got to be proactive when it comes to these finances. So we're going to mark off 6 envelopes, and I'm going to go ahead and get this large envelope right here. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Get my calculator out. So we're going to do $500. Make sure everything is in frame. Gotta have God is awesome in there, because he is awesome. This God is awesome. Can you see God? Can you see how awesome he is? Yeah, you can see. So we got a calculator. Here we go. So we're going to do 500. And the first large envelope I'm going to mark off is envelope number 84, and it has $168. So that takes me down to 32. So we're going to go up here and finish some of these smaller envelopes. Envelope number 30 has $60. So we down to $272. Then we're going to go over to envelope number 31 that has $62. Envelope number 32 has $64. Envelope number 33 has $66. Then we're gonna go over to envelope number 80. Envelope number 40, it has $80 in it. And that gets us to a zero balance. So we marked off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we marked off. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, we marked off 6 envelopes. So that would give us a total of 57 envelopes. Yeah, so we'll be 1 envelope ahead. So whatever day it is in the challenge, that's how many envelopes you mark off. So let's count. So we should have 57 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Yay! So we are making some progress. So now we are at a total of $4,500. It's halfway there, and we have how many more days to go? 100 minus 56. 44 more days, and I'm optimistic. I'm still, this week I should get a $500 bonus that they're giving all the healthcare workers at my hospital. Of course, when they cut it, it'll be like $400, so that's fine. And I worked some overtime on this check, so I'm looking to at least put maybe 1 or 2K in next week. So yeah, we'll see. And plus, I have the items that I got out of my storage building. I need to put those on. I think I'm gonna put them on OfferUp and sell those. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm still optimistic. So yeah, it's a challenge. So I'm enjoying the challenge because it's pushing me to do some things that I really need to do. Yes, I really got rid of a lot of things in this craft room that I wasn't using, so I'm enjoying the challenge. So yeah, so I came by to encourage you guys. Let me know in the comment section how you doing on your challenges. If you're having, some obstacles, and just keep going. If you give up, then of course you won't make it, but we just have to keep going. That's why it's called a challenge. 100 envelopes challenge. Okay. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. Short and sweet. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you. And have a nice day.